Hi friends, this is Layla Harris and I want to show you the everyday moments, and these are my people card workshop that I have designed for this April. We are using the Sentiment and Stitches stamp set that is currently available in the March-April catalog. There are sentiments and faux stitching in this, and these cards are very versatile with all sorts of sentiments. Let's take a peek at the cards. This one is kind of an all-purpose one, and just about any sentiment will fit on this card. And if you want to leave the bow off, I'm sure a guy would appreciate a birthday card like this. Here's number 2. This is one of the flowers from the Everyday Memories Cricut collection from Close to My Heart, and then I also use some of the stitching. Almost all of these cards have stitching, and some of them have a few little extra doodads like a paper clip. This card is my prototype of this one, and you'll see that I will need to move the banner over because I added the ribbon afterwards, but in the card kit that you're going to get, it will already be correctly sized. Here's another birthday one, wishing you everything happy. I love that sentiment. Next up is some yellow, blue, and pink. Great color combination. Wanted to know that you're in my prayers. As I said before, all of these could be very versatile in stamp, and you get to pick the sentiment. Okay, this is card number 7, and here's a paper clip and our little string bunch of stitching. I use virtually every stamp in this collection. And last but not least, and one of my very favorite cards of this batch, is this one, which is People Like You Make the World Great. I'm going to give you a quick overview of how my workshops come. So you're going to see a supply list, and you need These Are My People paper pack, and you don't need the stickers sheet, so you can just get it for $6.95 US. You're going to get a cutting guide and all of the cards outlined. I've printed this cutting diagram for proofing, but is also very tablet viewer friendly, and you can zoom right in and see each of the pictures. I'm also including a one diagram per page cutting diagram of all of the pieces of paper that you're going to cut so that it will be easy to read. That is my key here. So each of these workshops, you can get 4 sets of the 8 cards from one package of the These Are My People papers. You will need the Everyday Moments Cricut collection that's available from Cricut.com through my link. See my blog, craftylayla.com, for more information. Thanks for watching and have a great day.